Hey everyone, I just wanted to put this video out real quick because I had totally forgot last night when I did the live stream to do one of the things that I had actually said I was going to do and wanted to test, but I had forgotten. So anyway, here we're looking at Leonardo because I just wanted to try it on a couple other platforms first to show what happens. But the main problem was that, one of the two main problems was that when you ask for an analog clock, almost all of the time, all of the AIs would give the time of 10:10, so that the small hand's pointing at the 10 and the big hand's pointing at the 2, or at least close to that approximately. The reason being that most pictures show that time, and I don't know why this is, but I used to work over 20 years ago in retail, and where I worked they had clocks there that they would sell, and we were even supposed to put the time on those clocks to show 10:10. I have no idea why, but that's what it was. So that's why the majority of clocks, for some reason, show 10:10. So anyway, I just thought I would look real quick and see what each of them do. I haven't used Leonardo, you can see right here, since Thursday, February of 2024. So long, it's over a year ago. Anyway, let's see. I'm not even going to change the models or anything. I'm just going with whatever they give me, and I'm going to say an analog clock set to 640. Simple. Can't be any more easy than that. So let's see what it gives us. I guess we're getting 4 of them. Forgot that that's how Leonardo does it. I probably should have just gone over to the ChatGPT and had it done at the same time, but whatever. Come on. Stop posting. I don't want this other crap. Stop, Leo. Look at that. See? 10:10, 10:10, 10:10, 10:10. Okay, 10. Oh, wait, whatever. Close enough. So, that's that one. Let's try ChatGPT. Create an image of an analog clock at showing the time 6:40. One is enough. Come on. Well, I'm sure it's faster than Leonardo. Look at that. 10:10. I'm assuming that's the second hand going straight down. Yeah, yeah, that is the second hand. So that's a fail for ChatGPT. And let's do the same thing. Create an analog, image of an analog clock showing the time 6:40. Let's see what we get with the Grok. Not 10:10, but that would be 2 p.m. and I don't know what we're getting there. There's an extra hand there. It's either 4:35 or 6:25, something like that. I don't know which hand's supposed to be which on this thing. Either way, not 6:40. That just gave random times there. So I've yet to see this yet, but let's see if Midjourney. I guess we don't need to add that. Let's do. Okay. Simple as can be. No personalization on, and make sure 7. Up 7. And let's go. Oh, that's not going well. Nope. And I mean, the clocks I guess, are more interesting. I don't know what that is actually. And definitely no. Well, I was able to get something other than 1010, although two of them are, but no, it still fails. I don't know what they're going to have to do to make it so that their models actually do a little thinking instead of just literally copying every single thing that's out there. So there's one other test I want to try. What's another thing that everyone sees in a certain way and never sees it a different way? Go anywhere, and you get a glass of wine. The glass of wine is going to be, what, I don't know, a third to maybe halfway filled up. Never anywhere near the top. At least normally, you're not going to see a picture of a full glass of wine. So let's go with a full glass of wine up to the brim. I was doing that stupid thing where it generates more for the prompt than what you asked for. That's annoying. But there you go. It still says, well, it says raised to the rim, which, how do you turn that off? Anyone know? Oh wait, I'm not doing live chat right now. Seriously. That is really dumb. Where is, oh, prompt enhance. Off. Try one more time. And what do we get? Anytime, Bueller. Nope. Hey, these are a little bit higher, but yeah, not even close. All right. Let's try ChatGPT. And Bueller. Oh, it's getting darker. Nope. Looks like they got up pretty high though. That's I guess that's better, but that's not the brim. All right, one more. Actually, I'm gonna, while that one's making it. Touch the Tim. So how'd these go? Not sure why the second one's taking so long. But yep, that's a no. I'll try the same thing with this one, see if it. Ooh. Hey, way to go, ChatGPT. Please show me the prompt used for this image. Oh, hey. Actually got it. All right, let's try this now again for Grok, see if it figures it out. Nope. Grok, you failed. I'm impressed with ChatGPT actually getting that though. Okay. See if you can do it. Might have to try draft mode after this, see what happens. Well, that's not really helpful. Hmm. So that's a no. I'm gonna see if I can take that prompt used here and see what happens. Make sure they're still on 7. Yes. Nope. Actually, might as well try it here too. Yeah, that's not good. Midjourney 7. Nope. All right, so they all fail at both tests. Wait, did any of them get the clock right? I can't even remember. No. Nope. Nope. Oh, I know Leo didn't get any of them right. So yeah, the only thing that actually worked was the absolute full glass of wine in ChatGPT. Weird, whatever. Anyway, thanks again for watching. You missed the live stream. Oh, you missed out on so much. Oh, it's just insane. Nah, it was just me going through all the bunch of different tests real quick. Oh, you know what? I lied. I forgot I was going to try draft mode real quick. Let's see actually what happens if I actually do put this in now like that. Okay. Don't even know what it's doing. Why is it connecting? Okay. Hello. Norman. Alright, I guess it's just stuck. 3. Try that again. Draft mode. Again. Why is that coming up? Okay. So yeah, automatically get 16.9. No. I mean, quick, but it's still not working. That's put like a rim inside the rim to try to cheat. Like, really? That's disappointing. Can't type. Negative. Not sure why it's changing aspect ratios. Why? What's going on here? Uh, okay. What the heck is going on? All right. I don't know why I got all these other images, but definitely didn't ask for those. Goes to the machine. All right. Giving up here. Thanks for checking out again, especially those that watched the live stream. The few of you, the proud. Anyway, have a wonderful day as always. As always, I'd appreciate if you liked, subscribe, and did all that stuff. Share it with people, as many people as possible, because they need to see how awesome I am. I mean, they need to see how awesome my videos are. That's what I meant. Anyway, have a great day or great night, and take care.